In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your very first ATM business location. Stay with me. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009 and an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Why do you want an ATM business? Well, it's going to provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why do you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? It's different for everybody. Some folks want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Some folks want to supplement their retirement, or this is their retirement. Some folks want to stop putting out huge amounts of money for decent ROIs and want to put out smaller amounts of money for decent ROIs. Some folks want to create generational legacy wealth, right? Some folks just want extra money to do extra things in life, right? And then there are folks that want this for reasons we don't know because it's personal for them, right? You can check off multiple boxes, right? Here's the thing. If you'd like me to help you reach that ultimate goal of yours faster, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click on the link in the description, enter your email, watch the training video on the next page, then book a call with my team, and together you guys will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together. All right, before we get into this video, you know the drill. Thumbs up. Give me some thumbs ups. Click that ATM in that corner right there. I was going to do this, but I know it's over there. Click that silver ATM right there in the corner. Subscribe. Hit that bell notification select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay, so you want to get your first location for your brand spanking new ATM business. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to show you how to get your very first ATM location. Okay, are you ready? All right, so this is what you want to do. To get your very, very, very first ATM location, you want to concentrate on this. Places you go to I can't spell P-L-A-C. That says places. Places family and friends go to, right? God, my handwriting is horrible. Places your kids go to, and this could be college kids, right? College kids are a great resource. So it could be places your college age kids go to, or it could be smaller kids, right? Places they go to. You know what I'm saying? So this is a great way to concentrate on how to get your first location, right? Because a lot of times, especially with places you go to, they're warm leads. Like you might even know the owner, right? Maybe you haven't ever talked about business with the owner, but you know them and they know you. So this would be a really warm lead to talk to them about this. This is how I got our first location, right? Places family, I spelled that wrong, but places family and friends go to, right? Ask your family and friends, or you already know where your family and friends go to, right? So go there, okay? Places your kids go to, college kids, right? Maybe they go to the local university, right? Or the local community college, and just ask them, like, where do kids hang out? Where do you hang out? What do you guys do? You know what I mean? Go there. So that's a biggie. That one right there is a biggie. Another biggie is this. This is really huge. This is another great way to get your very first ATM location. And I might be spelling that wrong. I don't know what's wrong with my brain right now, but referrals. I don't know if there's 2 R's or 1 R. I can't even think right now. I don't even know why. Ask people for referrals, right? This is real simple. This is so simple, okay? You can ask family, friends, coworkers, strangers, literally strangers, anybody you come in contact with. This is what I want you to do from this point forward when you're looking for your first location, okay? Or your next location. You're just going to say, hey, I just started my own ATM business, and I was wondering if you knew of any place that could use an ATM. Hey, I just started my ATM business, and I was wondering if you know of any business that could use an ATM. Hey, I'm in the ATM business, and I was wondering if you knew of any business in the area that could possibly use an ATM. I pay referral fees. Don't wink, like that probably will come off a little bit creepy. But you get what I'm saying, right? So these are two huge ways that you can use to get your first ATM location. And here's another thing. Another thing that you might not think about is that you and your family or friends may know somebody who has a business, right? You may know somebody that already has a business. Like your neighbor down the street may know somebody, maybe their sister has a business in town or their brother has a business in town. That's a great connection. That's a warm lead, right? So if your neighbor's name is Bernice and Bernice's brother's name is Tom, and Tom has a business in town, you say, hey, Bernice and whatever the sister's name is, I don't even remember. I said, told me about your spot and that you might be interested in my services when you go in there. So it's warm, right? So because Tom knows Bernice and your sister, right? You know, he knows. So that's this honestly, this will serve you not only in the beginning of your ATM business, but it will serve you throughout your entire ATM business, especially this right here. Right? This is huge. Always be asking for referrals. Okay? Even when you go into a business and you ask them, you know, if they would like your services and they say no, it's cool. Ask them for referrals. Ask them. What's the worst they could say? They already told you no about your ATM service. What's the worst they could say? Maybe they know somebody who could use it, right? So this is going to be really, really good as far as getting your very first ATM location. If you have any questions about this, okay, please feel free to post it below. If you got ideas for a future video, post that below. And of course, if you'd like me to help you start your ATM business and help you reach that ultimate goal faster, just click that link in the description, enter your email address, follow the directions on the next page, right? Watch that training video and book a call with my team, okay? And please don't forget, like this video, give me some thumbs ups, hit that silver ATM in the corner, all right? Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select all. So every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. All right, Carey Buck signing out in here. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always